Welcome to this technical guide on the Dyson SV10. We are Kelatos Informatica, specialists in technical repair. We collect your device from your doorstep, carry out a free diagnosis, and send you a quote before any repair. No phone calls, no trips to the shop. We are based at Calle Joaquín María López 26, Madrid. Convenient, transparent and professional. Link in the description. If your Dyson SV10 is making a horrible noise and losing suction, it's likely that the motor is failing. This can happen due to dust and debris buildup or wear over time. If not addressed promptly, it could lead to more severe damage to your vacuum, making repairs more complicated and costly. To carry out this repair, you will need a set of screwdrivers, a replacement motor, a pair of pliers, and a soft cloth to clean any debris. First, ensure your Dyson is unplugged before you begin. To open the vacuum, locate the release button, which is usually situated near the handle. Press this button and gently pull the body apart to access the internal components. Be cautious during this process to avoid damaging the plastic clips. Once open, locate the motor, which is typically positioned at the base of the device. You may notice it is covered in dust, which can contribute to the noise. Carefully disconnect the wires attached to the motor by gently pulling them away, ensuring not to tug too hard to avoid damaging the connectors. Next, use your screwdriver to remove the screws securing the motor in place. Remember to note the sizes and types of screws, as you will need to replace them later. If at this point you feel it's getting too tricky, remember that at Kelatos we collect your device from your door and return it fully repaired. With the screws removed, you can now lift the motor out of its housing. Take your new motor and place it into the same position as the old one. Reattach the screws and ensure they are tightened securely, but do not over-tighten as this can strip the screws. Reconnect the wires to the new motor, making sure each connection is secure and properly aligned. Once everything is back in place, it's time to close your Dyson. Align the body carefully and press it back together until you hear a click, indicating it is securely fastened. Finally, plug your Dyson back in and turn it on to check if the noise has been resolved and the suction is restored. If you notice any issues, double-check your connections and screws. To prevent this problem from occurring again, regularly clean the filters and empty the dust container after each use. Ensure that no debris is clogging the motor area, as this can prolong its lifespan. If you'd rather not risk damaging your device, at Kelatos we collect, repair and deliver back to your door anywhere in the UK. Link in the description.